Hello my family, welcome back again to our channel. Today we are going to prepare pumpkin and beef stew. So follow me on how we are going to do the recipe for today. Thank you very much for being with me. So I'm going to begin with cutting our pumpkin into smaller pieces. This is the water I'm going to use for boiling. It's like 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to cover and boil like for 1 hour and it will be ready. We are going to have our pumpkin with beef stew. So this is our Ugandan beef. I'm already boiling it. As the beef stew and the pumpkin is cooking, I'm going to be making our veggies. So these are the veggies we are going to use for today. We have onion, 2 tomatoes, green pepper, garlic, ginger and carrot. Beginning with the tomato. So our beef is now soft. I'm just going to fry it. You see it's drying up. I'm going to add some cooking oil. I'm going to add carrots. Just adding tomatoes. So I'm going to add this soup. It was the water that I used for boiling. I'm going to add coriander, some paprika and black pepper, some Royco. Just going to mix it with water. So I'm going to let our beef stew to cook like for more 10 minutes and it will be ready. So my family, our food is ready. You can see our pumpkin is nicely ready. I also cooked some rice. Then our beef stew is nicely ready and delicious. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new, just hit on the subscribing button there below. And for my returning subscribers, I really thank you very much. See you in my next video.